Hello. Last time, we learned about intensive pronouns. Now, let's meet indefinite pronouns. They refer to unspecified things, like here, there is blank in the park, think about it. What pronoun should be used to say for absence of someone or something? We'll learn how to use these handy words next. Let's talk about indefinite pronouns, the secret agents of English. They replace unspecific people, places, or things when we don't need details. Indefinite pronouns are like placeholder words for when we don't know or don't need specifics. Let's break it down. For people, instead of names, use anyone, somebody, or nobody. Example, somebody saw a UFO. We don't know who. For places and things, it flew somewhere. We don't know where. It was something strange. We don't know what. Look at this example, what's that? It's something. We use something because we don't know exactly what the object is. That's the power of indefinite pronouns, they work when details are unclear. First, let us look at the common singular indefinite pronouns. Anyone, anybody, anything, someone, somebody, something. No one, nobody, nothing, everyone, everybody, everything, each, either, neither. Most of the indefinite pronouns are singular. These pronouns are always singular, so they require singular verbs. For example, everybody has arrived. Everybody means all people, grammatically it acts like one unit. Neither of the options is good. Neither means not this one and not that one. So it is singular. Nothing was done. Nothing means zero, things exist, and zero is definitely singular. Someone was at the door uses the singular indefinite pronoun requiring the singular verb was. Nobody knows the answer to that question. Not a single person knows. That is why we use singular knows. Each of the students has a different opinion. Each treats students individually, making the subject singular. Either of these dresses looks great on you. Either means pick any one, that is why we say looks not. These pronouns both, few, many, several, others always represent multiple items or people always require plural verbs. Few have finished the test. Few refers to a small number of people, requiring the plural verb have. Several are coming to the party. Several indicates multiple people, requiring the plural verb are. Both were correct. Both refers to two items, requiring the plural verb were. Some students finished the test early. Some implies an unspecified plural quantity, requiring the plural verb finished. Others were still working. Others means additional people, requiring the plural verb were. These pronouns always take plural verbs, are, have, were. Or plural indefinite pronouns. All, any, more, most, none, some. These pronouns can be singular or plural depending on what they refer to. Examples, most of the cake is gone. Cake is uncountable, so we use the singular verb is. Most of the cookies are gone. Cookies are countable, so we use the plural verb are. Some of the water has spilled. Water is uncountable, so we use the singular verb has. Some of the books were damaged. Books are countable, so we use the plural verb were. Quick tip, to determine if the verb should be singular or plural, if the noun after of is countable, like cookies, books, use a plural verb. If the noun is uncountable, like cake, water, use a singular verb. Functions of indefinite pronouns. As subjects. Indefinite pronouns can act as the subject of a sentence. Example, someone left the door open. As objects. They can function as direct or indirect objects in a sentence. She knows something. Direct object. He gave everyone a gift. Indirect object. For quantification. Indefinite pronouns help quantify amounts without exact numbers. Example, we saw a few birds in the park this morning. Indefinite pronouns are versatile. They can serve as subjects, objects, or quantifiers, adapting to different roles in a sentence while maintaining their nonspecific nature. Examples of indefinite pronouns in use. Someone call an ambulance. Someone acts as the subject, unspecified person. I need something to hold this window open. Something functions as the direct object, unspecified item. All of this is mine. All quantifies uncountable things, singular verb is. Nothing was done. Nothing emphasizes absence, singular verb was. Let's go somewhere this weekend. Somewhere specifies an unknown place, adverbial function. Many of the cats have striped tails. Many refers to a countable plural, plural verb have. Remember that indefinite pronouns adapt to subjects, someone, objects, something, or quantifiers, all or many. Verb agreement depends on context, singular nothing versus plural many. All the apples are rotten. All refers to countable items, apples, I have been everywhere. Everywhere indicates all possible places. Everything about you is amazing. Everything is always singular, should be written as one word. We have many books. You can select any one. Referring to countable books. Neither of the flavors is my favorite. Neither is always singular, requiring the singular verb is. Someone called to ask about you. Someone, singular unknown person. Practice test, indefinite pronouns. Read each sentence aloud, then reveal the answer. Blank. Likes ice cream. Hint, all people, answer is everyone. I lost my pencil. Can blank dot help me find it, someone. She wants blank. Sweet to eat after dinner. Answer, something. Look. There's blank. On the floor. Is it your key? Answer, something. I cleaned my room. Now blank. Is tidy. Answer, everything. Blank. Birds flew away when we made noise. Hint, not many. Answer, few. There's blank. In the fridge. We need to go shopping. Answer, nothing. Blank. Of these two shirts fits me. Hint, not this one and not that one. Answer, neither. Blank. The children laughed at the funny clown. Answer, all. I'll take blank. Apples, please. Hint, an unspecified amount. Answer. Mastered intensive pronouns. Remember, words like yourself and themselves are your verbal highlighters, they make keywords pop, but aren't grammatically required. Now you can emphasize like a pro. Want more grammar superpowers? Subscribe for more lessons. Let's stay connected. Drop a comment below with your favorite intensive pronoun example. Thank you for learning with us.